Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 14. Write 0.25 as a fraction. Let us assume that the given number is equal to x. In this question, we can see that digit 5 in the given number has a dot over it, which means it is a recurring digit. This tells us that the digit 5 will continue repeating forever. So we can write it as x equals 0.2555 and so on. We know that 2 is the non-repeating part and 5 is the repeating part. Now let us multiply the number by 10 to move the decimal point to the right. We do this so that the non-repeating part moves to the left of the decimal point, while the repeating part stays to the right. Now the equation will become 10x equals 2.555. We now have two equations, equation 1, x equals 0.2555, and equation 2, 10x equals 2.555. To remove the repeating part, let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we shall have 10x minus x equals 2.55, 5 minus 0.2555. Notice that during subtraction, the repeating 5s cancel out because they appear in both numbers. After subtraction, we shall get 9x equals 2.3. To remove the decimal point, let us multiply it by 10 again, so our equation will become 90x equals 23. Further simplifying, we shall get x equals 23 divided by 90. Excellent! We have successfully converted the given recurring decimal into a fraction. Therefore, 23 divided by 90 is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.